Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is extremely important because a lot of people has been asking me the same questions concerning Sidra Chain, MetaMask connection, Sidra mining, missing balances, wallet importing and many other issues. So in this video, I will answer all the common questions one by one in my own simplest way. Please watch this video carefully to the end because you may discover the exact solution to the problem you are currently facing. So before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss further Sidra updates. Now let's begin. The first question is, why is my Sidra not showing on MetaMask after connection? This is one of the most biggest questions in the community. A lot of users connected their wallet successfully, but after opening MetaMask, they cannot see their Sidra balance. Now, listen carefully. In most cases, the Sidra is not lost. The issue usually happens because the Sidra network was not added correctly, or the token was not imported manually, or the MetaMask connected to the wrong network, or the blockchain is still synchronizing. So what you need to do to correct it, make sure you are connected to the correct Sidra network, then refresh the MetaMask extension. You are going to see your Sidra in your MetaMask. But if you do not see it, do not panic. So this is what you need to do. If you come over to your MetaMask after connecting your Sidra to your MetaMask and it is not showing in your Sidra app, do not panic. These are the factors that are going to affect it. Now, how to check if your Sidra is actually in your MetaMask? You come over to this send. You come over to send, tap on send. You are now going to see all the tokens custom network that you have added to your wallet. You will see Sidra Chain here. You will see other core blockchain. You will see all. In fact, if you click on all, you'll be able to see all the network that you have added to your MetaMask. So this is how you can actually see if your Sidra is in your MetaMask. So you can now see that I have Sidra here. If I have any other coin, it is going to show here. I have little coin, so it's showing here. So this is what you do. Now if you tap on this Sidra, you can see available. Available is 2.99. now this is available and I can transfer it to any other wallet. So this is what you need to do to see your balance on your MetaMask. Now another question is how to import Sidra custom network. So to import Sidra network on your MetaMask so that you'll be able to see the amount of Sidra you have, you click on these tokens, tap on that arrow. You are now going to see popular network. Tap on this arrow. Now once you tap on this arrow, you're not going to see custom. Tap on this custom. Now you click on add custom network. I already have MetaMask. Sorry, I already have Sidra, but I'm going to show you. You click on add custom network. Once you tap on it, you are going to see the network name. So you're going to paste the network name. The network name is Sidra Chain. The URL. I think I have the URL. So I'm just going to post the URL. So I'm going to add all these things here. I'm going to add the network, the RPC URL, the chain, the symbol, and the blockchain explorer. So let me just copy the RPC URL. So it's showing invalid because I have it already. That's why it's showing invalid. So what you're going to do, write the network name, which is Sidra Chain. Now the RPC name is Sidra. The chain is something, let me check, 974543, 97453, something like that. Then the symbol is SDA. Now the blockchain explorer, you also paste it. I don't want, if I go back, it is going to start afresh. So I don't want that. So paste the blockchain explorer, then you click on save. Another question people has asked is that after saving it, if they come back to edit, it will start all over again. The chain ID will be missing. Why will you come back to edit when you have already saved it? So there is no need after saving editing it. In fact, you are stressing yourself. So once you save it, automatically you are going to see the Sidra that you have in your MetaMask. So the last but not the least, some people say they want to use SafePar to connect their wallet. You can as well connect your wallet through SafePar, or maybe you want to transfer your Sidra to your SafePar all you need to do is just to add the Sidra to your safe path. Make sure that you know your seed phrase. Write it down, not on your phone pad. Please write it down on a piece of paper. So for the safe path, it is already integrated inside the app. All you need to do is just to search the Sidra and add it up. So you come over to this line. You can see that I have Sidra here. Tap on that line there. So over here, you are now going to search for Sidra. Search for Sidra. Just tap it. Once you search for Sidra, the Sidra will pop up. You click on it, is already added. Once you tap on this Sidra here, you will now click on add. You will now see this thing. You tick it good, and automatically you have added your Sidra to the safe path. You connect your Sidra to your safe path, or you transfer. You want to connect your Sidra app to your safe path, follow the same method I did. Come over to the app here. Come over to the Explorer. If you come over to the Explorer here, you are now going to search for sidrachain.com. sidrachain.com. Now you search. Now confirm this, and you are about to redirect third party. Click on confirm. Just the same method of connecting to MetaMask. In case if MetaMask is not connecting for you, the same method. Did you see that? So if you have watched that my MetaMask connection, use that method. Come over here, click on continue with KYC port. I'm not connected, so no need of going through this process. But if you did not connect through this KYC port, you click on KYC port, where you will now see connect through the email, or you sign in. Let's just type it. So let's wait for it and see what is going to show us. Now this is what you need to do. You are now going to click continue with Google. If it did not work for you, you click on continue with private key. If it did not work for you, you are now going to log in. Now the one that worked for me for the MetaMask connection is you signing in using your password. Once you tap on this place, you are now going to put your password and your email, your Sidra email. Now they will request you to do Google Authenticator whatever. So what you're going to do is just now go straight to your Google Authenticator app, copy your Sidra Google Authenticator code there and place here. Then you automatically connect and follow the same method. It's very easy. The same method we used for the Sidra connection in MetaMask, that is still the same method. So it's very easy to do this. If MetaMask is not working for you, use SafePath. You are going to get it right. One must actually work for you. Advice to everyone is just simple. Be patient, stay informed, avoid fake news, follow official updates, protect your wallet, and never panic during temporary issue. The blockchain industry is still evolving, and every growing ecosystem faces technical phases, upgrades, and improvements. So thank you for watching this video. So if this video has helped you, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below with your questions so I can answer them in future videos. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you.